In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 easy and interesting recipes to include millets in your diet. This was a much requested video after my last video on millets, so if you are interested, keep watching. Hi everyone, this is Nirupama and welcome to Simplify. Today's video is a recipe video starring millets. I have a detailed video on millets, types of Indian millets, their nutritional benefits. If you haven't watched it, I invite you to watch it. I'll leave a link in the description box. Basically, millets are these super grains that have been given the status of nutraceuticals because of their countless health benefits. Some of the health benefits include lowering the risk of diabetes, blood pressure, heart diseases, as well as giving an immunity boost and antioxidant boost to the body. A lot of us don't know how to include millets in our diet. Not that I'm an expert, but here are 3 easy recipes using millets that I make on a regular basis, and I would like to share them with you all. So let's get started with the recipes. The first recipe features foxtail millet and it's called foxtail millet upma. Now, foxtail millet is commonly consumed in the southern states. In Hindi, it is known as kangni. Wash 1 bowl of foxtail millet and soak it in some water for about 30 minutes. Heat 1 tablespoon ghee in a kadai. Once the ghee heats up, add some mustard seeds, soaked chana dal, handful of peanuts and lightly brown everything. Then add in some chopped ginger, chilies, few curry leaves and some cashews. Give everything a good mix. Then add some chopped onions, salt as per taste and cook the onions for some time. Adding turmeric is optional. I have also added some chopped carrots, cabbage and coconut pieces because I love the crunch of veggies and coconut in my upma. But adding these is completely optional. Cook for a minute and add water. The amount of water added is 2.5 times the amount of foxtail millet that you are using. So if you are using 1 cup of foxtail millet, add 2.5 cups of water. Let the water come to a boil and add the previously soaked foxtail millet to the boiling water. Cover and cook the foxtail millet till the water evaporates and the grains of foxtail millet have turned soft. In a kadai, the cooking takes about 15 to 20 minutes on a medium flame. In a pressure cooker, about 3 to 4 whistles is all you need to cook the foxtail millet. Add some chopped coriander leaves to finish the upma. Serve your foxtail millet upma with a slice of lemon and some mint leaves. Have this foxtail millet upma for breakfast or for lunch. It is a wholesome meal in itself and it will keep you full for a long period of time along with offering a ton of health benefits. Second recipe is a millets thali peet. A thali peet is this spiced multi-grain flat bread that is mostly made in Maharashtra. Now, every family usually has their own recipe for thali peet and their own proportion of grains and millets that they use. Here is how I make my thali peet. For making thali peet for 2 people, I am adding half katori jawar flour, half katori bajra flour, 1/3 of katori gram flour or besan and 1/4 katori wheat flour or atta. Adding atta is optional and you can totally skip adding it. Add some salt and a little bit of sugar. Crush and add some carom seeds or ajwain. Now time to add the spices. Add a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, some chili powder and a teaspoon of roasted coriander powder. Then add some chopped green chilies, chopped onion and chopped coriander leaves. Bring everything together and start kneading the dough using some lukewarm water. Once the dough is ready, let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. For rolling the dough, I am going to use a plastic sheet and sprinkle some flour over it and roll it to a medium sized dough. Don't roll it too big because the thali peet tends to break very easily. Now gently take it off the plastic sheet and drop it on a pan. Flip the thali peet, apply some ghee and flip it again. Apply ghee on the other side too and cook till you see nice brown spots on both the sides. I love having my thali peet with some curd, but you can have it with any chutney of your choice. Thali peet is full of health and nutrition and it can be had as a breakfast item or as an evening snack. Moving away from savory dishes, the third recipe that I bring to you is a sweet one called finger millet or ragi laddu. Finger millet or ragi is a superfood. It has multitude of health benefits, and if you want to know more about the health benefits of ragi, I invite you to watch my video which I have linked in the description box. Let's get started with the recipe of ragi laddu. Start with add ragi flour to a kadai. I'm adding about 3 cups of ragi flour and I'm going to roast this for 5 to 6 minutes on a low flame. Meanwhile, take 1 cup of sugar and add 3 to 4 elaichi or cardamom pods in a grinder and grind this to get a powder like this. Keep it aside. Once you have roasted the ragi flour well and it starts giving out an aroma, it is time to add ghee. I'm adding about 1 cup of ghee, but you can increase the amount of ghee as per your liking. After adding ghee, get the muscles in your hand ready for some serious and vigorous mixing to bring the ragi flour and ghee together. The mixture should come together to form a dark colored lumpy paste like this. Now turn off the gas. Once the mixture cools down slightly, add the powdered sugar elaichi mixture and mix everything. Now start forming the laddus. Ragi laddus are mini balls of goodness and nutrition, and you can have it as a mid-morning snack or a mid-afternoon snack along with a glass of milk if you like. So there we go, 3 easy to make millet recipes to include in your diet. I'm sure there are hundreds of recipes out there, so feel free to make them based on where you live. If you have some recipes, do share them with me in the comment section. I would really like that. Try and include millets in your diet at least 3 to 4 times a week. They will offer you a lot of health benefits. That's all from me today. If you liked today's video and found it useful, do not forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care until then. Bye.